If Microsoft Edge is showing an access denied error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can help get you back into the site fast. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and the good news is that most of the time the issue is caused by a browser session, cookies, cache, or a small Edge setting that just needs to be refreshed. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. The first thing I want you to try is opening the website in a private window. Private browsing can help bypass saved sessions, bad cookies, or old login data that may be triggering the access denied message. To do that, open Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner and choose New InPrivate window. Once the private window opens, type in the website address again and see if it loads normally. If the site works in private mode, that tells you the issue is likely related to stored browser data rather than the website itself. If you still get the same error, the next thing to do is clear your cookies and cache. This is one of the most effective ways to fix loading and access problems in Edge. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. That opens the Clear Browsing Data menu instantly. From here, make sure you select cookies and cached images and files. If you want, you can also clear browsing history, but the main items to focus on are cookies and cache. Once those boxes are selected, set the time range to all time if you want a full reset, then click Clear Now. After that, close Edge completely and reopen it before trying the website again. In many cases, this alone fixes the access denied issue. If the error is still there, go to Control Panel and check your Microsoft Edge settings or repair options. On Windows, you can open Control Panel, then look for the section related to programs or installed apps. Find Microsoft Edge, right-click it if that option is available on your system, and check for a repair, modify, or change option depending on your Windows version. If you see a way to reset or repair Edge, use that option to refresh the browser installation without losing your system files. This can help if Edge itself has become corrupted or misconfigured. After making the change, restart your computer and test the website one more time. At this point, one of these fixes usually resolves the access denied error. To recap, first try the site in an InPrivate window, then clear cookies and cache with Ctrl-Shift-Delete. And if needed, check Control Panel for Edge repair or change options. These simple steps solved a lot of Microsoft Edge access problems without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.